Okay, so lastly we're going to use those aggregate functions to do a little bit of math and numbers, working with the numbers in the castle table. Again, focusing on the annual visitors. So this next problem says get the number of visitors for the most heavily visited castle. And basically we want the number of visitors, the highest number of visitors in the castle table. So let's use our aggregate function max. We say select max. Okay, so this is a function. We have to provide it with the column name of interest, in this case annual visitors. Okay, so that should do it. Let's run it. Okay, so it's 6 million. Students sometimes see, they're used to getting the results back and seeing a long list of castles or whatever, long list of records. Basically, with the aggregate functions, and we're going to do another one in just a moment, you really just get one small value back. Doesn't that make sense? There really is just one max, and so we would just get that one thing back. It's the value of 6 million in this case, the visitors for the most heavily visited castle. So looking at this last problem here, get the total number of annual visitors for all castles in the table combined. This is another aggregate function. In this case, we'll use the sum. So why don't we get the sum of annual visitors? Going back to my SQL view. Okay. Well, if we did the math, it would probably all add up. We're looking at about 19 million visitors. Again, we just get the one small value. If you don't like the column name, you can create a new one yourself. Select sum of the annual visitors as, and then provide a name here, something that works for you. And you can see now I have the good name on my column there. So if you don't care for the default name, just provide a new one there using as and then the new name that you want.